beautiful friends. How are you? Happy Wednesday to you. Oh my goodness, it's Christmas time. It is time for Christmas decorating, which cannot be a more joyful time for me. I love decorating for Christmas. I did write a blog post about how hard it's been to decorate. It's been bittersweet because I lost my dad to cancer this year, and literally with every decoration that was going up, it was another reminder of his absence, and it was really sad. But at the same time, it was really joyful too, because I know he's looking from heaven and he's excited that we are taking our lives and we're still rejoicing in God and the living hope that's within us, which is Jesus Christ. And that can never, ever, ever be taken away. Not by 2020, not by an election, not by a political party, not by anything. God in heaven is our living hope. And that is the reason for the season for our home and our hearts. So let me share with you all of the things that I put up in my house to decorate for this beautiful Christmas season. I hope to give you some tips. If you like DIYs, if you like to think outside of the box and use your kids' art for your gallery walls, if you want to create things that are really beautiful but with your budget in mind, this is the video for you. I love being mindful of a budget. I love being creative and taking things and, taking things from different rooms to move around to make a different space and a different little moment happening in your home. Consider subscribing to the channel. We are a growing family. We're almost at 900 subscribers. I'm so excited, you guys. Every time I see a subscriber come on to my email, I'm just like, praise you, Jesus. Thank you, God, for this person. Thank you so much if you already are a subscriber and you have come back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Liviere. I make videos most every week about beauty, lifestyle, and inspiration. My hope is to really encourage your everyday life, whether it's you are struggling with your faith, whether it's you're struggling with your confidence and not knowing how to put on some beauty products, or knowing how to throw an outfit together, or knowing how to, be the boss of your home and create a beautiful home out of your house. This is the place for you. I create things in order to encourage your everyday life, and it would be my honor to have you as a subscriber to this channel because I make videos for you, my beloved friend. I'm gonna give you some tips to really warm up your home and create little moments that make you joyful and excited to be at home. My number one tip is to make sure that you shop your own stash, okay? Don't go out crazy buying stuff at Home Depot that you don't know what the heck and bob you have in those bags that you put away last year. You might have already forgotten what you have from last year, so make sure to bring everything out. And I grabbed all my bins from Christmas. I took everything out and I inspected everything. I asked my kids to help me with this to make sure that everything that we had still worked. The batteries, when we put batteries in it, does it still work? Is it still presentable? Because some of these things we've had for a long time. And if there is something that you need to replace, make a list, check it twice. Make a list. It's the best thing you'll do, because when you go to the store, if you do need to shop for some items, a list is gonna help you to not be overwhelmed by the holiday galore that you see in all stores right now. So this will minimize your anxiety, stress, is to make a list of the things that you actually need. My second tip is to clean your space before you put your decorations up. I know it's kind of like, okay, Liviere, don't tell me to clean my house. But clean your house, because it makes a big difference just making a clean slate for all of these beautiful decorations to go up. I know that it requires a little bit of energy, but if you have kids, give them jobs. This is a really good way to create teamwork and to create a sense of unity with your family, is to give everybody different jobs and have, say, at the end, we're gonna be able to decorate with our beautiful decorations, and we can have hot chocolate or have, a party to put the ornaments on the tree, like whatever it is that you wanna do to celebrate after. It's a great way to get your kids to do their chores. I believe that being the heads of our homes requires us to give our children incentives and give them motivation to do things, right? I feel like they're little human beings. They want to feel respected. They want to feel like they're a part of your tribe. They're a part of your team. And when you say words like, hey, we're a team, we're on this together, we're going to celebrate together, let's work hard together, it makes it feel like, yeah, at least that's what I've found in my own home. What I love doing with my decorations is taking things from different places, from different spots around the house, and bringing them into a new space. It makes it feel like I just went shopping, but I didn't. I refreshed the space by taking it from one room to the next. The next tip is to change the things out of your frames. I know I love switching it up. I love even switching it up with things that aren't pictures. I was at Target at the little dollar spot and I saw that they had these adorable holiday bags, and when I brought them home and I was switching out my pictures for the gallery wall, I realized, oh, it would look so cute if I put this in the picture frame because they're festive. It's the colors of, you know, of my decoration. Oh gosh. Another wonderful tip is to, especially if you're new to buying your decorations for your home, if you don't have a whole lot just yet, think about a color scheme and give yourself a few colors that you're gonna be working around. I knew this year, for me, I love having very neutral colors around the house. We have grays, we have beige, we have white, beige, and grays mostly around the house. But our pops of color this year were red and a little bit of that beautiful green color that I love. Obviously that green color is all over Christmas, red and green, of course. But those were the colors that I wanted to integrate into our home. And then everything else, like I bought little pillows that had just like the very neutral colors, but brought in those tones that I wanted to bring in. And with that, if, like for example, if you don't have a bag, say you have some really pretty gift wrap that you love, you can frame that. You can frame kids' artwork. If you don't have a kid, go find a person who has a kid and make them sprinkle some glitter into a page. Or you could even put something down on a piece of paper. It doesn't have to be Michelangelo, okay? Just make it be whatever, something that represents you and that represents something that you want to see every day to help you have encouragement. I believe that having a beautiful space and art, it really elevates your mood. It gives you something to look forward to, and switching out your artwork really refreshes the home. I love creating beautiful little spaces with lights. I think lights are so pretty. My husband laughs at me, but he's like, you have to turn off all of the battery operated things that you have around the house. And I mean, literally it takes like 25 hours to go around and turn everything off at the end of the night. But I don't care. I don't care. It gets dark at 5 p.m. right now, you guys. So you have to bring in the joy somehow into your home. Don't miss out on this year creating your own atmosphere of joy and hope. You have what it takes to make your space feel like home and feel like whatever it is you want to feel, okay? And I know that you can do this because we can do with what we have right now, whether if you have a $0 budget or a $1,000 budget. I think the intention behind the decoration is what really matters. I'm gonna link down below, or I'm gonna put it in a cart up here. A couple years ago, I created these really pretty centerpieces with things from the 99-cent store, and that's been one of my most beloved videos of all time. It's got a lot of views, but I will put it up here because I just want you to know that it doesn't take or require a whole lot of money for you to just put a little bit of intentionality into your home and your space.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Summer ended, but we did not. We started something, this thing that we got grew stronger. Each day we're together all the way. Oh, we're falling in
you did enjoy this video, I would love for you to consider sending it to a friend that also loves to decorate, DIY, think outside of the box. It would be an honor to give value to the people that you love. Thank you so much. I will see you next week, God willing. Adios!